Hello, everybody. Sorry for the delay. I'm Victor Guerra from University of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. Welcome to WasteApp, the webinar. In this short webinar, we're going to explain how WasteApp, the gamification app developed for H2020 project Urban Waste, works. For those who are thinking, what is WasteApp? I can say that it is a gamification tool developed as a strategy to encourage tourists to properly use bins when they are at Urban Waste's consortium cities. These cities are Santander, Kavala, Nice, Florence, Lisbon, Ponte Delgada, Dubrovnik, Tenerife, Nicosia, Copenhagen, and Syracuse. The working mechanism of the app is quite easy. Tourists can earn points by reading the QR stickers deployed on waste bins around their current city. Once they have earned enough points, they will be able to exchange them by the prices offered by the city's sponsors or supporting businesses and companies. We have introduced a limit of 2 readings per day in order to avoid a misuse of the application. If you have not already downloaded the app, please go ahead and use a QR reader installed on your iPhone or Android cell phone. This link is device aware and will redirect you to the corresponding repository. I will give you a few more seconds. As soon as you open the application, this will be the fantastic first screen you will see. This is the typical login screen, but if you don't have already created a user, you should press the New User button. When creating a new user, some statistical data relevant for the project's analysts will be asked from you. Do not hesitate in fulfilling all the fields, since your data will be completely anonymous. We have implemented a very difficult to explain procedure to anonymize your information. Basically, you will not be identifiable even if a black hat hacker entered our server, or what we prefer to call it, our impregnable fortress. The last information you will be asked to introduce is your current location. Before proceeding to the user creation, you should accept our terms and conditions. We will not ask you for your sole or your first child, but all of us must be legally protected. Please read it thoroughly. If the user is successfully created, it's time for an in-app tutorial. I will skip this because it is essentially what I am explaining to you. The first screen after logging in is the map. In the map, you will find bins, sponsors, and water fountains. Please accept the location permission on your device. Containers are displayed by a color square. The color is related to the type of waste that each bin accepts. You will notice that big colored circles are also present. This is Google's clustering software fault. However, it is quite useful because when several bins are close, it helps you to see a nice view of the map instead of a big rainbow-like blob. Sponsors are shown as smiley faces. If you press in a face, you will see the name of the sponsor. Water fountains are shown as water fountains. Now, I will shortly tell you what does each icon on the application's header means. The first one is the QR icon. Press it to read QRs. If you read a correct QR code, you will receive points with a twice-a-day limitation. But if you read a wrong code, you will be punished. Just kidding, we will let you know. The placeholder icon redirects you to the map screen. Nothing else to say. The trophy icon displays all the available awards in your current city. The book icon shows you the awards you have already exchanged. The gear icon allows you to change the application's settings, which are essentially language and current city. The academic hat icon shows you the initial tutorial again. The dialog balloon icon will let you tell us what is wrong with the app or with the city's bins. Finally, the red cross icon logouts you. You will see our brand logo in the left upper corner. If you press it, you will be redirected to our project's good-looking website. If you want to see your current city's tourist website, press the displayed name. You will also notice that there is a footer. If you press each of the social network icons, you will be able to share with us your experiences in both Twitter and Facebook. Now that I have explained you the interface, let's go with an example. Everybody knows that an image is worth but 1,000 words. Imagine you find a bin you want to use in our map, and you decide to read its QR code. Then you press the corresponding icon and take a snapshot of the sticker. If everything goes right, you will receive 100 points. After a few days using the bins responsibly, you decide to get your well-earned reward. Then you press the trophy icon and locate your dream prize. You press a star and read the QR at the sponsor's place, a bar, a restaurant, or a museum, for instance. We do not want you to waste your points. Because of that, we warn you about the prize's due date. We have established that each award must be exchanged on the same day the points are used. No worries about this, because you will need to be physically at the sponsor's location in order to read the QR. Then you obtain the prize, and a ticket is generated. This ticket will have a timestamp that will serve the sponsors as a warranty. You will be able to show your already exchanged prices by clicking on the book icon. If you press the I icon, the corresponding ticket will be shown again. We are almost finishing. The gear icon moves us to the settings of the app. Here, you will be able to change the app's language and current city. Take into account that each city has its separate points wallet, so you will not be able to earn points in Ponte Delgada and exchange them in Santander. The incident screen gives you the possibility of writing a message. You will process all your messages as soon as possible, but this channel is unidirectional. We do not want to bother you. Well, and that's all. If you have any questions, you can make use of my email. I hope this brief explanation of the app serves you to better understand what we have developed in our part of the project. Goodbye and have a nice day.